Hi you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am really pleased to be here. I have a beautiful kit from Pretty Planner Studio, and this is part of my application to become part of her PR team. This kit is called her PR Rep Kit. It's currently available on her website, and as you can see, it's got some really fun stickers saying I want to rep for Pretty Planner Studio. She also does this kit in monochrome, and I'm an idiot and thought I'd picked up the whole kit in monochrome, but I'd only actually ordered the boxes. So we're going to throw some of the monochrome in on this spread this week, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I'm also going to be running a giveaway on my Instagram, so if you want to join in on that, my @ is the.gingerplanner. Link will be in the description box with all of the information. I have a full pastel Erin Condren size kit to give away, and also a full pastel Hobonichi size kit to give away. So all the details are available on my Instagram, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, you guys, I'm super excited about using pastels in my planner and scattering some of this beautiful monochrome throughout the spread as well. I'm also going to be using some washi and some foil overlays and scripts and things like that, but I love that this kit comes with some really cute characters as well. Now, I also did pick up the kit in the Hobonichi size, and this was the little freebie that came with it for this month. I also grabbed some of these super cute laptop stickers, and the reason that I picked up the Hobonichi kit is because I noticed that the characters are just slightly smaller than the Erin Condren size, so that's why I grabbed it. Now these kits are a la carte, so you can go through and pick either the full kit or you can mix and match, which I think is super cool. And just saying, in terms of bang for your buck, you get 7 pages with the full kit. So let me get rid of these guys. And this one here, because that was an extra one that I ordered. So you get 7 pages. Look at that. There's so much in here that you can work with. And I have noticed some of the other girls that are doing Plan With Me's using this kit have been able to do 2 full weekly spreads, which is awesome. That's amazing value for your money. So I really recommend that you guys go and check out Pretty Planner Studio. Again, the link will be in the description box. So this is the upcoming week. And again, we won't talk about how boring my week is going to be because I have nothing to do. So I'm just going to get started by laying down my washi, which anyone that watched me last week knows I put my washi down, I put my date covers down, and then I fill in from there. So I'm going to go ahead and pop my washi down, and then I will come back in a moment. Okay, you guys, so my washi is down, date covers are down, and while I was putting them down, I just noticed this really cute sticker here, so I love that so much. Now, you might see a little bit of whiteout popping out of the bottom here. It's just because I needed to cover my dates that are already in my planner so that they wouldn't show through under the boxes, but don't worry, you're not even going to see any of that once I get finished because, as you guys know, I'm a no white space kind of girl. So now I am going to use some foil date dots. There are date dots that come with the kit though, so you don't need to worry about that. And now I'm going to go ahead and start filling in this section here. I'm going to do my taskbar a little bit later on. So I'm just going to speed up here so you guys don't have to listen to me ramble about nothing while I go ahead and fill this all out. Okay, you guys, I'm just checking back in and I'm really loving how this looks so far. It's so cute. And again, this is a really great color scheme where it's not clashing with the colors that are already on my planner. So I super love that because sometimes they poke through a little bit. Now, I'm going to start filling out the sidebar. And as usual, I will be putting a photo sticker in of myself and my partner from GP Studio. So when you see me lay that down, that's where that's from. But again, I am just going to go ahead and time lapse that, and I'll be back with you in a moment. Okay, you guys, so that's the taskbar. I really love this sticker. I love having just like a full line. That makes things so much easier for me instead of having to and ah about what I'm going to fill it up with, because as you guys know, don't have a ton of things aside from work, eat, sleep that I need to do during the week. So I don't need a tracker or anything like that, but I do have this little top goals box. Now you might have seen me struggling there. I did need to lift that sticker back up and put some white out down to again cover the dark script that was behind it, which you can see poking out here, but Washi is going to cover that in a moment. Now I think I am going to go ahead and cover Washi on the top and the bottom and around the sides, and you're really going to see this start to come together, and then we're going to go ahead and fill in the rest. And you guys, I have to say this paper feels so nice, and I can already tell it's going to be really great to write on, so I'm so excited about that. But I'm going to go ahead and put that washi down, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, you guys, just to show you what washi I've pulled so far, I have these pastel purple and gold bows from Simply Gilded, some mint green with gold stars from Simply Gilded. This is actually Scotch washi tape that's blue with this beautiful kind of aquamarine glitter in it, which I love. I also have a box here of miscellaneous washis. Now these are all, again, Scotch and from Otto, which you can get from Officeworks. And these little tiny guys here, which were from Kmart. So you might see me grab a few different ones, but anything that I use, again, it will be linked in the description bar below. So if you see me while I'm laying this down and I suddenly change my mind, I will link it below. Okay, you guys, I was just about to lay this guy down, and note to anyone that's purchased these, because this is brand new, I haven't used it before, the glitter is actually shedding off the washi, so I'm not going to use this one just because it's already all over my hands. I'm sure that that's really, look, I love glitter. I don't have anything against glitter, you guys know that, but I just don't want it all over my hands when I'm planning. So I'm going to go ahead and pick something different. So if you're wondering what just happened, that's what's just happened. Okay, you guys, so this is what we're looking at. So now I need to cover up this strip here, and if I put down this mint green washi, as you can see, the background's going to show through. So I'm just going to figure out what I can lay down. It's probably going to be a little bit darker, but you know what, at this point during this spread, I think like a little bit of maybe that black and gold that I used last week would probably be okay, but I think I might go in and just add some more of this glitter tape maybe. I'm just going to figure out what I'm doing and then I'll be back in a moment. Okay, you guys, I've found a solution. I had this pink foil tape from Washi Tape Australia. I got this in a D-stash, and as you can see on this side, it's quite a bit bigger than what I need. It also is not sticking to the tape that I laid down before, but that's fine. What I've done is I've just gone along with my little slice tool, and I've just used my finger to find the edge, and I'm just cutting that extra bit off. So I'm going to go ahead and time lapse that, but I'm going to show you so you can see what I'm doing here. But I really love the way that this looks, and I love how much color is happening. This is beautiful. Okay. Okay, so as you can see here, this is looking gorgeous, you guys. I love pastel colors, and I love that I'm finally getting to use some of the colored washi that I had sitting there, as last week was very just lots of gold, and I feel like I'm getting braver with my spreads. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix this a little bit up. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to mess with it, because if I start messing with it, that's when things are going to go a little bit askew. I'm going to put my date dots in, my foil date dots, and then we're going to start filling these sections in, and I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, this week's date dots are from Live, Love and Craft Papercraft, and they're this beautiful foil color, and I can already tell they're going to look absolutely stunning on this spread. Now you can see here that the dot is a little bit bigger than what's here, but I think that means that the little circle is going to kind of like go around, and I'm really excited to see what these look like. So I'm going to go ahead, and again, I'm going to jump into time lapse just so you don't have to sit there and watch, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so that looks so cute. I can really start to see this coming together, and I'm so excited. All right, so I need to probably actually give some thought to what I am doing next week. And I want to start popping in some of this beautiful monochrome as well. So I'm going to try not to be too chit-chatty, because honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing most days. So I'm going to go ahead and go back into time lapse. Now, anyone that's stuck with me so far, thank you for watching this far. Please leave me a comment and let me know, did you prefer last week's video where I chatted the whole time, or do you prefer videos like this that are more time-lapse? Obviously, when I do my true crime series, we'll be chatting the whole time, but I'll have a fixed topic that I'll be talking about. But just let me know what you think about the way that I'm doing it this week. I want to make sure that my content is what you guys want to see. And I want to make the best content that I can. So let me know, but we'll see how this goes. Again, back into time lapse, and I'll see you shortly. Okay, you guys, I'm just coming back for a little chit chat before I keep going with this. I'm absolutely loving it. I love the monochrome. I actually am going to lift this flag back up and put down the pastel though, because I really like the contrast of the monochrome and the pastel together. So I'm just going to lift that up. So if you were wondering what's happened, that's what I'm doing, just because I just want to change it up a little bit. And I'm just noticing that I probably should have done that earlier. I'm just noticing that this spread is just, it's giving me so much joy as I'm putting it down, just because of the colors. Honestly, the aesthetic is just beautiful. So I'm just going to see if I can fix this little guy up, and I'll be back in a moment. Now I'm just going to show you what you can do if little oopsies happen. I would just go ahead and put down a little character sticker to cover these up. That's entirely my fault. This paper, I'm having no issues with peeling back stickers. It's just that I left it for too long. So let's see, what can I put down? I think I'm going to do, see, this is why we time lapse on this channel, so you guys don't have to listen to me umming and ahhing about what I'm doing, because there's been a lot of that today. I'm just in such a weird headspace because it's the weekend and I had yesterday off as well. I'm going to put down this little sticker icon, so you can't even see that anymore. And let's put some washi down too, because I feel like this is going to be Oh, this is from the Hobonichi kit, by the way. That's why these icons are a little bit smaller, which I really like. So I'm going to do washi here, cover that up. And you know what? Let's make it even. I could have just done this instead of putting that flag down. I'm going to do little computer as well. I should really put down this little cute no spend icon, because anyone that's in the D-Stash Facebook group would know that that's probably my biggest issue. All right, that's super cute. I love that. So, Karen, if you're watching, I'm so sorry that I did that. As soon as I ripped up the page, I was like, oh, of course that happens while I'm filming. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put in some of these really cute little icons. Now, I wanted to show you what you can do if you don't have a full box to lay down. So Karen has put in this gorgeous, cute little set of these little character stickers, and I absolutely love them. I love the little Pretty Planner Studio icon as well. It's so cute. Her aesthetic is just absolutely gorgeous. So I am going to put this girl down because, as I am the ginger planner, I think this is the most accurate representation of me. This is who I want to be, and this is who this is probably who I actually am. But I strive to be this. So I think in this spread I'm achieving this right now. Now I'm also going to put down some icons. I love that she has social media icons, especially now that I am really getting into filming and really getting into building my platform. So I'm going to put the YouTube sticker over here, and I'll make a note of that. For next week, I'm going to do another plan with me. So my aim is that I'm going to do plan with me's on the weekends, and hopefully then branch into doing the true crime kind of series throughout the week. But it's going to take me some time probably to get used to that kind of schedule. I'm just going to put this really cute little banner here. I love that because it's the weekend, and I'm an idiot and forgot to put the weekend banner down. I also forgot to put this beauty down, possibly because I'm still new to planning. I'm still learning how to lay everything out, so my bad, but I'm going to save this, and next week I'm going to see what I can do with what's left over from these kits, because I think that a lot of people probably get intimidated when you start planning and thinking that splashing out and buying a kit, you're only going to have it for that 1 week. That's not true. There's so much that you can do with a full kit, especially Karen's kits, because they're so generous in how much you get. It's good to see that you can really make it last for a long time. And even someone like me who is doing like a no white space kind of plan, I'm still going to have enough stickers left over to do a decent spread in the following week. So really excited to see what I can do with that. Now I'm going to lay down a couple more icons, and then we're going to put some foil on top. So I'm just going to time lapse while I do that. And again, I'll be back at the end and we'll see how this turns out. I think that about does it. I love this. It's so cute. I love all the color. I'm so sorry, Karen, if you're watching. I had a couple of oopsies today, but again, I think it's just because I'm learning. I will link below to all of the little foil accents that I put in on this, but guys, I highly recommend that you go and check out the Pretty Planner Studio at the Pretty Planner Studio on Instagram. Please come and follow me at the.gingerplanner on Instagram to find out how you can win one of Karen's beautiful kits. And please send her some love and tell her that I sent you. Thank you so much again for joining me today. Can't wait to see you guys again very shortly for another plan with me, and I'll talk to you soon. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends, and please give me some feedback if you have some time to do so. Thanks again, guys. Bye.